नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। My name is JVN Manisha Singh, Assistant Professor in Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Sciences in Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am teaching you sensing business opportunities and assessing marketing potential in subject entrepreneurship portfolio. Discipline is food and biotechnology. Now let's start the topic. What is opportunity? Opportunity is a situation that enables an entrepreneur to offer marketable products or services to interested buyers or end users. Types of situational factors. Product or service is still not in existence, and product or services is already in the market but failed to satisfy the customers, so need to be improved. Then emergence of opportunity. When people decide they have certain needs and want to be satisfied, or when people discovered a problem of some kind that can be helped by a product or service, the presence of unfulfilled needs and want and or problems alerts the entrepreneur to the potential opportunity. The entrepreneur later creates a business that is able to fulfill the needs or want and or solve the problem. Then opportunity identification. It is a process that involved the search for and discovery of business opportunities. Then approach to opportunity identification. They are basically, these are three steps. Observe changes in the environment, recognize a need that customers have that it not being satisfied, and then recognize problems and find ways to solve it. Then observing changes in the environment. Changes in the environment give rise to needs and wants and or problems that an opportunity emerges. Important environment forces to observe include economic forces, social forces, technological advances, and political and regulatory statutes. Then recognize needs and wants. Opportunity occurs whenever there is a need and want to fulfill. The term needs refer to basic needs that the customer or consumer must have in order to live, while the term wants refers to a personal desire for something that is more than basic need. Recognize problem and find solution. Problems can be recognized by observing the challenges that people encounter in their daily lives. Solution to the problem represented a business opportunity. Then opportunity identification process includes search for changes in the environment, then recognize needs and wants and solutions, discovery of opportunity. Then market potential. It can be defined as the amount of possible sales in the market, the estimated maximum total sales revenue of all suppliers of a product in a market during a certain period. You figure out a customer profile who you want to target with your marketing and combine that with the geographic size you want to target. This is your general market potential. To get a more specific marketing potential, you need to know also how many competitors you have and their strength in the market area. You can then estimate how much of their business you will be able to take from them, and that will be the market potential of your business. Then marketing research. Marketing research is a systematic gathering, recording and analyzing the Marketing research is the systematic gathering, recording, and analyzing of data about problems relating to the marketing of goods and services. Market research will give you the data you need to identify and reach your target market at a price customers and willing to pay. Marketing research focuses and organizes marketing information. It permits entrepreneurs to spot current and upcoming problems in the current market, reduce business risks, identify sales opportunity, and develop plans of action. Marketing research is not a perfect science, and it deals with the people and their constantly changing feelings and behaviors, which are influenced by countless subjective factors. To count marketing research, you must gather facts and opinions in an orderly, objective way to find out what people want to buy, not just what you want to sell them. Market research will identify trends that affect sales and profitability. Population shifts, legal developments, the local economic situation should be monitored to quickly identify problems and opportunities. Keeping up with competitors' market strategies also is important. Every small business owner must ask the following questions to devise effective marketing strategy. Who are my customers and potential customers? Then what kind of people are they? Where do they live and can and will they buy this product? Then why we do market research. People will not buy products or services they do not want. Learning what customers want and how to present it derives the need for marketing research. Small business has an edge over larger businesses in this regard. Small business owners have a sense of their customers' needs from years of experience, but this informal information may not be timely or relevant to the current market. How to do market research. Analyze returned items. Ask former customers why they have switched. Look at competitors' prices. Formal marketing research simply makes this familiar process orderly. It provides a framework to organize market information. Then market research is a process. Market research can be simple or complex. You might conduct simple market research, for example, questionnaire in your customer bills to gather demographic information about your customers. You might conduct complex research, for example, hiring a professional market research firm to conduct primary research to aid in developing a marketing strategy to launch a new product. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.